What's up, YouTube friends and family? Welcome or welcome back. So today I have your sugar in the house. I'm excited to kick off my Christmas sets with a new brand. So I have 5 polishes here that I'm going to show you. Take notes on these colors if you're interested. I'll have them listed in the description box as well as the comment section and in the top corner of the screen. So this is what the colors look like with 2 coats and a top coat, and I think they're really stunning. I really like the glitter colors. Even the red is super pretty. It's a chunkier glitter, but it's super pretty. It kind of reminds me of like Dorothy Slipper from Wizard of Oz, that kind of like red glitter. So yeah, I really like these colors. The silver is like super pigmented. Actually, all these colors are really pigmented. So for these press-on nails, I'm going to use my press-on nail stand to create these nails. I'm going to do 2 coats of the pink. I'm going to cure in between each layer, and before I apply my black lines, I'm going to apply a thin layer of top coat just to protect the pink in case I need to wipe away any of the black or do anything on top of the nail, then it won't destroy what I've already done. So now that I have both layers of pink and a top coat on the set, I'm going to just take out some of this black polish onto one of these disposable sheets. And I'm literally just going to dip my liner brush into the gel and kind of just do a rough draft of my lines. And I'm going to do that all the way up the nail, and then once I'm satisfied, I'll cure it, and then I'll go over it and fix any imperfections that I may see or may not like, or whatever the case may be. And I'm going to do that on all the nails. I was actually really pleasantly surprised with these polishes. They are super smooth to work with. Also, as you've seen, highly pigmented. Even for the glitter ones, they're super pigmented. Like the black one, if you did 1 coat, you could totally get away with like a jelly. So here is the final look of my nails. I really hope you enjoyed this set I did today and the products I reviewed. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. Let me know which color was your favorite. And shout out to Ursugar for sending me these products to review. I really appreciate it and had a lot of fun. Shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I love you all so much. And until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.